Oh, it has a ridge that goes in there?
No.
Is this tapered or something, Lauren? Look at your tongue, dude. It's got a big black spot on it. Go away. Go lay down. Oh, I know how to get rid of you. Here, Prime. Prime's got your ball. You went that way.
Okay.
Rubber hammer.
Very, very important. Very, very important. Normally what we do, we want to go down by hand.
Right.
Okay, now watch. You did it.
Oh, badass.
That's how you do it. It went perfect. Okay, let's go. Now we'll put the upper bearing in. Okay. Use this oil for something.
Heck yeah. I want to go use it for nothing.
Okay, there we go. Put it in.
That's it.